Okay, so which number do you want to start with? Pick a number. Which one?
2.
2? This one right here?
Right, that's your last key?
Is this 2? The one you want?
Yeah.
This 2? Okay. So it's asking you, it says, kids, we're doing math now. Hi. Which one of the following represents the area of the shaded region? Well, that's nice. You can do shaded region areas, can't you? Now, is it asking you to actually, can you actually find an area? Is this a definite integral? What? No, it's not a definite integral. Okay. So you're integrating from left to right, so you're integrating from what to what? A to B, correct. And what's the upper function?
D.
D minus, what's the lower function? F of x, correct, dx. Now, is that answer right? Is that answer there? Yeah, it is right there. Sometimes you might have to integrate this a little bit, which you could. You could write the capital F. You could do that, but you don't have to in this case. It's right there. Anybody know what's the function in this case?
The x cubed.
Yes, thank you. It's x cubed plus x minus 1. That is f of x. So what is f prime of x?
3x squared plus 1.
Plus 1. Correct. Exactly. So you could use your calculator. You can type this in pretty quickly, and here's what it's going to look like. Please make sure you remember Newton's method, and then it's as simple as a couple punches on your calculator. Assumption we're making about this wall. It's a right angle, right? Does this question change and is it really annoying if this isn't a right angle? Yeah. You'd have to use a lot of cosines and all sorts of weird stuff, and it just would not be cool. So we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to what? 25 squared. So we know that 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt, what does that equal? What does it equal? Nope. 0. Yay! So we know that x dx dt plus y dy dt is equal to 0. Exactly. Okay. So what is dy dt? Negative 3. Okay, so we know that this is negative 3. What else are we able to plug in? Well, we know when y is 7, this is still 25, right? How do you figure out what this distance is? Yes, so x squared plus 7 squared is equal to? Correct. Thank you for the participation, everybody. So what does x squared equal? 25 squared minus? So x is going to be equal to the square root of 25 squared minus 7 squared. Okay, so that's the x value.
24.
What is it?
24.
24. So 24 dx dt, and that's what we're solving for. Plus, what does y equal? We already know what y equals. 7 times negative 3 equals 0. Yay! So what do we end up with? Dx dt is equal to 21 over 4, which is equal to what? 7 over 8. Correct. And is that one of the answers? 7 over 8 feet per minute. Is it getting bigger or smaller? Bigger, because if y is going down, x better be getting bigger. Correct. Nice. And what are you subtracting? 2 to 500 of 11 to the x dx. Correct. So what does that mean you can do at this point? What's that equal to? Yeah, you're going from 1 to 500, but you're subtracting 2 to 500, so this is actually just equal to 1 to 2 of 13 to the x minus 11 to the x dx. Now, is that something your calculator can do?